Welcome to my drawing advent calendar. Every day until Christmas you'll get a drawing tip or a little mini drawing lesson. Click on the bell to be reminded. Have fun and a wonderful holiday season.
In this tutorial of today I show you how we draw the fur of the tiger. So I show you how to draw a fur with stripes. You can also use this technique when you want to draw a zebra, for example, or every striped fur. So first we are mapping in here some rows with an orangey brown. So it's the 186 of the Pitt pastel pencils. And then let's map in with black. The darker stripes. So first let's map in here one stripe with black and one stripe with a yellowy orange. This first stage looks ugly, so it's just applying pastel pigment here in rows, following a little bit the fur direction. Details are following later. Then let's blend those stripes here with the paper stamp. So we are pushing the pigment into the teeth of the paper, blending those rows together. The same with the orangey stripes. I try to avoid that I mix those rows too much. I don't want to bring in too much black pigment into the orangey teeth. We can do that a little bit to blend now here at the transitions here between the stripes. So let's blend the black a little bit between the orangey brown stripes. So we can bring in a little bit black color into the orangey stripes, but not mix the whole area together, because otherwise the orangey stripes become dirty and don't look nice anymore. They would become too dark. Okay, then let's take brown. So I use here the burnt sienna, and I'm starting here draw another layer, creating fur structure. So I'm drawing in here with the burnt sienna some hairs. Let them go in different directions and let them cross. So the pastel pencils should have a sharp point. So here it's not very sharp, but I can create here when I'm rotating the pencil while I'm drawing thin lines. So you don't have to sharpen your pastel pencils every time. Turn your pencil around, so rotate the pencil while you are drawing the strokes. That also can help to create fine, thin lines for the coat. Then let's do the same with the black. So let's take the black and let's create here with the sharp black pastel pencil some hairs that are overlapping the brown stripes. So we are starting here in the middle of the black row of fur, and we are drawing here fine hairs in over the yellow brown stripe. The same is here at the second row. Bring also this black hairs here into the brown row below, so let them go into the fur, into the yellow fur too, to create here always some shadow between the browny orangey hairs. So make sure that those transitions between the stripes looks realistic and not, you don't have one straight line. It should really, there should really be so darker shadows between the lighter hairs and so on. Then let's choose another orangey color, for example here a lighter orange, and let's start bringing in some lighter hairs in the orangey fur here. Vary the length of the hairs, so draw some shorter hairs and then some longer hairs too. Let them overlap, let them go here over the black stripe, let them cross. So you can build up very easy striped fur. The important thing is that you let the fur here overlap the other stripes. Also here the black hairs should overlap the brown ones. Then let's go in with another light color. I use here the light flesh of the pits. Let's bring in, it's always important to bring in different colors into your fur to make it more realistic and to make it vivid. A fur would look flat if you don't use different colors. Very important is that you have right contrasts, so don't be shy to create contrasts with darker and lighter colors. You can also draw some longer hairs here over the black fur. Okay, then let's use a black again. I try to keep the black pencils sharp. So here I have a sharp Carbotello. Now I'm going in and I try to add here at the bottom of the black stripe some fine hairs in between the brown hairs, and here again the same process too, so let's refine that a little bit. Another tool I like to use is a crafting knife, a cutter, and most times I go over the fur and remove a little bit of pastel pigment and scratch in some very thin, fine lines. So with this technique I can refine a little bit the fur structure. It's a little bit like scratchings, a scratch board technique. Okay, then let's add, finally I would add with a white or a cream, so a lighter color here in this case. Again, some very fine fine hairs on top as a last layer. Just let's add some highlights. The same here in this row too. Yes, great. Perhaps we can soften here the edges a little bit if you would like to do that. That's only here a short demonstration how to draw striped fur. So hopefully that helps. And yes, I hope you have fun drawing this. See you the next time. Wish you a nice day.